This is it. You excited?
I know, babe. I'm so excited. I'm tearing up.
You okay?
You know, I've always wanted to go to the motherland, and Egypt means so much to me. I've been doing studies, research.
Man, going to Egypt. Whew, I'm excited, man. It's one of those places that you don't even think to go. Like everybody go on vacation, they want to go to Hawaii, Puerto Rico, but Egypt, man, that's where it all began. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's gonna be exciting. You know, maybe ride a camel, dip my toe in the Nile. You know, I'm excited. How about you, man?
You gotta dip your toe in the Nile. And we're here.
I know, right? Hey, once in a lifetime trip, man. Yes, we are officially here in Egypt. Now we gotta make our way to the baggage claim to get our bags, and then gonna meet our driver. What's up? What's up? Yeah, we made it. Yeah.
24 hours and we made it. So we are here at the lost baggage. Our bags got stuck in Paris. They never came.
So, it is what it is. We're gonna fill out the report and we're gonna continue on with the trip. The show must go on.
Be easy.
So this is our ride. This is our guide.
They have IKEA here.
Oh!
It's so modern.
Oh look, they do have an IKEA. I love IKEA. You're so funny with them things on your head.
I'm about to put these over my eyes when I go to sleep.
We made it to Egypt. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we are starting day one, first day in Egypt. The morning air smells so beautiful. We are headed to the pyramids. We're headed to the pyramids of Giza, and we will see you guys there.
Hey, gotcha. This is amazing. It's an amazing view just to see it in real life. It's like you see it on TV, you see it in books, but to actually be here, breathe the air, touch the sand, smell the camel shit, it's like, it's real. The flies, the birds.
That was awesome.
We rode a camel at the pyramids. Yeah.
There's stop signs.
Stop lights.
Stop lights.
Yeah,
Traffic lights.
but I don't think they ports.
Beautiful. We're at Filmic, right by the pyramid. Shishis and spicy beans.
Welcome. I want to see you come in Egypt. I love people from the United States too much. We sing so high notes. Very friendly people. one.
Frankincense or lotus? Symbol of healing, symbol of love, symbol of life.
Man, we lit. Downtown Cairo. Just got wiping some nice little scented oils for the crib and for the body. You know, ate good. About to go back to the telly, see what it is. We living this Cairo life. Hey.
Babe, no, for real. You gotta kill it.
I don't know where he went.
There's some mosquitoes that just flew in the room. We ain't got time for that. Babe, he's right above the bed.
Even
Look.
better.
You see him?
Yeah. Oh, it's a wrap.
You got him?
I don't know. No, he be jumping. He thought get him on.
He's a jumper. He's right there.
Oh my God.
You got him? Let me see. No, you didn't. He's right there above your head. He's jumping every time. You got him.
Got him.
That was a close one.